Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Minecraft custom skins. First, understand that custom skins allow you to personalize your in-game avatar, making your character truly unique. These skins are essentially image files, usually 64 by 64 pixels, that map onto your character model. You can either design your own from scratch or choose from countless pre-made options available online. It's a fantastic way to express yourself in the Minecraft world. To design your skin, you'll want to use a dedicated Minecraft skin editor or even a standard image editing program. Skin editors are often preferred because they provide a three-dimensional model of your character, making it much easier to visualize how your design will look from all angles. Remember to consider both the front and back, as well as the sides, to ensure a cohesive and detailed appearance for your unique avatar. Once your custom skin is complete, uploading it is straightforward. First, log in to your official Minecraft profile on the Minecraft website. From there, navigate to the Skins section within your profile settings. You'll find an option to upload your new skin. Make sure your file is in the correct PNG format. After uploading, your character will immediately display your brand new, personalized look in the game. For truly great skins, experiment with shading and texture to add depth and detail, making your character stand out. Think about the overall theme and color palette to ensure a cohesive and appealing design. Always test your new skin in-game to see how it looks under different lighting conditions and against various backgrounds. This helps you make any final adjustments for the perfect in-game appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.